English B2. Student Iris Matilde Cadena Barrera. Teacher Gloria Hernandez. Effect of the technology in the environment. From my point of view, the effect of technology had their good and bad contrast. For example, positive effect. They could win the adoption of clean technology such as renewable or sustainable energies, solar thermal, thermal solar, wind, geothermal. We do not perry secondary effects in the atmosphere. Negative effects. The negative effects are mainly due to residues of heavy materials such as mercury, lead, cadmium, chromium, arsenic, or antimony that contaminate natural resources. If we throw away the computer and cell phone batteries, will be polluted in water and the soil. To mitigate the effect, it will carry out in project if it had government support as well as raise awareness in society to raise the consumption of electronic equipment, recycle batteries since they are the most polluting.